Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss what is psychology. So, before going to the topic, we know that when we heard the word psychology, what comes in our mind, and whenever in classrooms teacher asked questions to students that why you opted psychology. So the students and in general life too, people think that psychology is more about knowing someone's mind and reading what going inside others' mind and what people act or how to read the future actions. But it is quite different from that thinking. So today we will discuss the chapter topic, which is the starting of the topic is what psychology is and what it discusses in the field. But when we go in our history or when we look the Indian traditional philosophical view, it is continue from the past that Indians traditionally we try to know actually how human behave or how human natures act and why human do in which they do, why human behave in which they do. So these basic questions discussed in our tradition and the pattern, trying to know the pattern of behind the action. Like other field, psychology do have the focus center is human and for the human well-being. So unlike it is also a science, but unlike other sciences, psychology is a psychological process is more internal and more about self observation. It study the nebulous micro level phenomena. We mean that consciousness, which is very part very internal actions and focusing about the attention, which is in very noise how a man is focused on a single topic or single thing. So these kind of things are studied in psychology, but a question is still uh, arise that we define psychology and what actually psychology is and from where it comes. So like other discipline, every discipline has a very hard to define because it has very it is evolving continuously and they have a range of phenomena. So similarly in psychology, uh, it is very evolving and it has a range of very vast range of phenomena. So and psychology comes from a two Greek words. The first one is psyche and the other one is logos. Psyche means soul or mind, and logos means a study of subject or science. So it is about the study of soul or mind. But it is considered in earlier time. But after developing the subject, it is going establishing a scientific discipline. It focuses more on human experiences and human behavior. So these are the core of psychology, and the range of phenomena it studies is individual, dyadic, and organization, where we study focusing only on a single person and sometime on two or two more than two or in a or of a group. And the question is that any discipline is studied in what it is studied and how it is studied. So when we ask question that what in psychology people learn, then the three main things people learn is mental processes and human experiences and the behavior, human behavior. And how it studies, it is about biologically and social science. So it is studied scientific way and in a social arts way too. So this is the thing that we will study, that what psychology is, and the next topic we will discuss in next video. So thank you.